The CM Solar Mission is a flagship initiative by the government of Meghalaya, implemented by the Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency (MNREDA). Its goal is to make the state energy resilient and environmentally sustainable. CM Solar Mission is a program designed to be affordable and accessible. Small households only need to contribute 10% of the cost. The state government covers the rest, providing a 50-90% subsidy, with the remaining amount for larger systems covered by simple bank loans. To apply for the CM Solar Mission scheme, you can consult with MNREDA and submit your application through the district administration, or contact your nearest block development officer (BDO).
Haka kalai terik menaiwiang arajar arpusan ke office terikam dengan district sports officer ke SWKH Hills, peringkat kejingit terhilang ke office deputy commissioner kalau penkutno ke chief minister's district level youth engagement program ke Arsni, jangan ke district. Yakin ke program la penlong haka multi-purpose hall jong office deputy commissioner halat lausang haka ke district SWKH Hills. Haka sni sedang kata kekat terik menaiwiang lawan mantli perda Dauba FB Basan ADC jangan ke distrik Kumukongsan badaksi penkut kakak lai terik lawan berpenhak perda Bah Renik ton leng dotong kar MLA Kamau Kerwat constituency peringkat kejingan lang uba B Maulong Deputy Commissioner ke distrik ND Shira Assistant Commissioner jangan ke distrik ba Disengkon District Sports Officer kentub igwe di ke office bat ki officer ke belasyak khot ngobha naduk kena hikai haduk kena skol Samla pulih lawan manishim beta kena gelempung da ki school bat ki snong baper jong mau kerwat bat karani kor blok. Hari ni arsngi program belepenlong ki kentup ke kejinyata helor ka life skills, career guidance, communication skills, kejinyakop tem gitar, kejinyakop itu kana, kejinyakop top poetry, ke declamation, kawan act play, kejinyakop tantelai, kejinyakop rai folk song, ke science mela, kejinyakop brodur, kejinyakop shat folk dance, bat kibai-kibai. Gajing temu berpeluang yang ke program kalong si benta bagi kena bagi Samla kena bantu ni kisap bagi don hai kerensan la kalong naduk di block level, district level, state bagi national level. Aga bakut jangan ke program la yoru bansan bagi kusna merangkat ke sernot cabaro kinong job ke bila pen kisap hagi jing ko baper.
Because my ambition, my target, my goal is to be postgraduate. I can tell you the fact. After that, I got children. My children has grown up, and as I told you, I'm one among the successful entrepreneurs. Yes, I've done very well in my business, but I'm still not satisfied because I have not reached the goal. Somehow, 2.5 years back, when I have been re-elected again as an MLA, but I don't get the chance to be minister. So I understand myself that I will not be too busy. I can take the determination that no, I will go again for further study. at the age of 52 years, I join again, but I have no more time for regular course. I have to join only the online course. Somehow I have completed my MBA, and now I reach the goal at the age of 54. I have completed my MBA now by doing online course. So my friend, the point is that I don't want you to do that. Finish in one go. Don't take that chance. It's too difficult, I'm telling you. So when you are still studying, complete your target, complete your study. And I want to see many young graduates, many young postgraduates from the district of SWKH. We want to see MCS, we want to see IAS, we want to see more doctors from SWKH. Yes, we want to see successful young people, young boys and girls to come up from SWKH.
Dong